Hello my dear friends, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Let's get into the video. Today in this video we are going to check how to mute and unmute, or how to off and on the beep sound which we hear while locking and unlocking a Hyundai car. Please note, I am doing this video especially for Hyundai Venue SX Petrol variant BS6 version. This will work also for the SX optional and SX plus DCT variants, but this facility is not available in the BS4 versions. So, this is the smart key of Hyundai Venue SX. It looks cool and elegant, and the finishing is great, and the build quality is superb. Since this is the SX variant, it is a 3-button smart key. The top end variant will have one additional anti-theft button along with these 3 buttons. As everyone knows, the top button is to lock the car, the middle one is to unlock the car, and the last one is to open the boot. There is a circular button on the top left corner which pulls out the key of the car like this when it is pressed. Okay. So now let's check how to mute and unmute the beep sound. Currently in my car, I have muted the beep sound, and you can see that there is no beep sound while I am trying to unlock or lock the car. Now let's check how to enable the beep sound. For this, you need to press and hold the lock and unlock button together for around 5 seconds. While doing this, you can see the indicator will blink 4 times, and this will enable the beep sound. To disable the beep sound, you have to do the same process of pressing and holding the lock and unlock button together for 5 seconds. Here also the indicator blinks 4 times while disabling the beep sound. After this, when you press the lock or unlock button of your car, you will not hear any beep sound at all. So dear friends, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Please share this video with your friends and let me know your comments in the comment section. Okay friends, see you later with another video. Till then, this is Arun signing off. Take care and bye bye.